Hi guys, good morning. Today I'm feeling in the mood for some metallic colors. So I'm gonna do just a simple Dutch pour with Fluo Blue, Bronze, Copper, Gold and Van Dyck Brown. Very much looking forward to seeing how this is gonna respond to each other. So we're just gonna go. Okay, I just made a fill, so I scraped it off, made a new white base and gonna start over. I'm starting with the blue, some bronze, and like brown, copper, a little bit of blue again, and then gold, and a bit bronze. Okay, I'm gonna pour white around this. Blow it over the colors. And blow it out. This is very soft and so much metallic colors. Yeah, I like this with this blue. Okay, I'm gonna torch this. Just a little bit in the middle, because I don't want it to be fully with cells this time, because I like the softness. So I'm gonna fix the sides a bit. Yeah, I love this a lot. Okay, I'm gonna give you a close-up, guys. Wow, how beautiful is this one? So soft. This blue with these metallics are so pretty together. It failed the first one, but this one, yeah, I'm in love. It's gorgeous. I think I'm gonna do a second one, but just instead of this blue, I'm gonna use pink. That will be pretty as well, I think. Okay guys, thank you for watching and hope you subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.